So yeah, we live. So let's get right straight into it, okay? I'm going to be starting with the first one, and that is write a length number. So if it's 200 words, 300 words, 500 words, whatever amount of words you want in the writing style. So if it may be a blog or an article or an essay, whatever type of writing you need, you put it in this space, and over here, which topic do you want to write about? Music? Is it art? Is it video games? Whatever. And in the style of whoever you want to write like. So let me put it in a case study. So I want to write a 200 word, okay? Writing type, I want it to be an article, okay? Article on, let's say, music. So topic, I want the topic to be music. Though I'll put this prompts in the description so you could edit it. So write a 200-word article on music in the style of, so let me say, I want to mix different genre, different industries. So let me say Mr. Beast, in the style of Mr. Beast. Okay, that's pretty unique. So let's see what ChatGPT. I'm using ChatGPT 3.5 because as of this recording, it's free of charge. Okay, so let's see. So I'm writing a 200-word article on music in the style of Mr. Beast. So, hey there, music enthusiasts. Today we're about to embark on an incredible journey through the world of melodies, beats, and harmonies. Prepare to have your eardrums blown away because we're about to make music history. So we know how Mr. Beast tried to, likes to talk. He likes this, not bravado, but like this exaggeration and dramatic way of communicating. And that's exactly what ChatGPT is doing with this article, right? Imagine a symphony of generosity with the power of sound. So it's dramatic, it's bold, if the lack of better words. And with that, you have a unique written article based on just your creativity in the context mixed with ChatGPT's whatever it is called. Okay, so that's the first one. Okay, so let's move over to the second one. And it goes with just rephrasing. Right, so you can rephrase any article, right? And just for a disclaimer, right, I'm not promoting doing this. Okay, I believe in being inspired by an article, going through it. You could rephrase it, adding yours, adjusting. Okay, but I'm just showing you exactly the power of this platform and how it can be used. Okay, so that's just a disclaimer. So let's rephrase an article on Dave Chappelle. Okay, one of my favorite comedians. So let me copy this from Wikipedia. I'll go right to ChatGPT. I'll put it in and let's see what ChatGPT gives us. Most of the time, it will be almost 0% plagiarism. Okay, depending on how you plagiarize it and how you edit it, and also what plagiarism checker you're using. Obviously, in universities and the likes, the plagiarism checker is way more secure. So just put that in mind. Okay, and obviously, if you're using ChatGPT 4 is going to be also more secured. So it's written this, and let's check it out on a plagiarism checker. If the one I'm going through doesn't work, we'll just ignore it. Okay, so let's see. Lock. So most of these plagiarism checkers is just a lot of adverts. Okay, so whichever plagiarism checker you have, try to use it. If this doesn't work, we'll just ignore it. I don't want to spend too much time on the plagiarism checker. I'm sure you have yours you could use, or so let's check it out. Okay, so copy and paste your text. Let's paste this right over here. I think it says we should click here. Okay. So let's give it a minute. I tried this earlier. It took a lot of time, so which is why I'm saying if it's taking time. Okay, so it's asking for a file. So basically you could check it out. Okay, most of the time the plagiarism is actually quite okay. It's very low percentage, and you could always tweak and adjust it, which you should, right? The idea is to get inspired by it, not just to copy and that. So that's the second one. You could try with anything, rephrase, and it works well. So now the third is provide an outlook. Let me copy it and let me paste it here. So provide me with an outline for this book. So whatever book you have and you're trying to get like the gist of it. So let's give me an example. I'm trying to find the name of a very good book. Okay, The Intelligent Investor. So let me say of The Intelligent Investor. Let's see what it will bring out. Okay, it's wonderful. So you can see it's bringing out the entire outline for the book, overview of the book's purpose and significance, introduction, chapter 1, investment versus speculation, investors and inflation, a century of stock market history, general portfolio policy, the entire outline of the book, it brought it out. So I could say, so let me put this, elaborate on points. Which one do you want? Let's see. Let's check about chapter 2. On chapter 2, okay. So let's see. Elaborate on chapter 2. Let me see. You see, so chapter 2 on the intelligent investor delves into the topic of inflation and its impact on investments. Benjamin Graham, the author, recognizes inflation as a significant factor that can erode the purchasing power of money. So basically, you get the idea with this. Give me the outline of any book. So before you read it, you can kind of get a summary of, if you've read it before and you need it, you just put the book, it gives you the outline, then you elaborate on any other points or any points you need to, and it does it for you. So that is the third one. So let's go over to the fourth one, and this is quite interesting. Okay, I'm gonna put it over here. So let me correct this. And basically, this is replace this with a more sophisticated, with a more sophisticated academic English. Okay, so let me say, the boy is good and having a good day. Yep, I think that's only what I could think of. Okay, so let's check it out. Replace this, and the young lad displays commendable proficiency and is currently experiencing a state of favorable circumstances, thereby contributing to a positive and pleasant day. That's quite interesting. Okay, so I can now say, following up on that, I can say we write this in the style of a popular comedian. Okay, so the first time I put replace this with a more sophisticated academic English. Now I'm saying you should write this in the style of a popular comedian, and let's see how it will change that. This will be quite interesting to see. Alright folks, listen up. We've got okay, this is quite nice. We've got ourselves a real winner here. This kid, right? I mean, seriously, this little dude is killing it. It's not just good, it's like, I mean, basically, you get the idea. It does a really, really good job, like I mean, come on, this. So that is, I'm guessing that's the third one, or the fourth one. So let's move on to the other one. I think we're done with this. So that's the fourth one, yeah. So this last one is quite interesting, and let me explain it to you. I'm gonna put this over here, and what I want to do is act as so ideally we're telling ChatGPT now to act as a particular guru or profession, and with that it's gonna be able to portray a better answer or result. Let me put that in practice. So I'm saying act as a guru or professional. So I'll put let's say, what should I use? Okay, I have it here. So let me move it here and erase this. So I say act as a guru, grammar and spelling corrector / improver, right? I'll put that. So act as a guru, grammar and spelling corrector and improver. Certainly, I'm here to help you improve your grammar and spelling. Please provide me with the text you'd like me to review, and I'll do my best to offer suggestions and corrections. Okay, so I'm going to paste this here. I'll say, no, not yet. I'm not really surprised. So I'm going to put in like, I am okay, so I intentionally made mistakes with this, and I put this over here. So it's going to correct it. I am having a bad day. Okay, I'm having a very bad day. So it's corrected it. So I could then say, write that as a style of a top Harvard professor. Let's see what's going to do. Regrettably, I am unable to accurately mimic the specific style of a top Harvard professor, as it will require a more nuanced knowledge and familiarity with the individual and everything. However, I can certainly help you provide you with the polished and refined language. Okay, so let's change that. So instead of using a top Harvard professor, let's try to use right as a let's just change to as an academic. Okay, let's check here. Okay, so look at, I am currently experiencing a rather unfavorable day, besets my numerous challenges and setbacks that have contributed to a general sense of distress and dissatisfaction. So basically, I hope you get the gist of it. Like I said, I'll put the prompt in the description below. You could always edit it. The idea of this is just to have a better way of understanding how ChatGPT works and knowing how to play with it to provide you unique, tailored content or results that you're looking for. Okay, I hope you found this useful. Let me know in the comments what other prompts and style you use to communicate with ChatGPT, and I'm looking forward to that. So without further ado, cheers.